Hey YouTube. The thing that everybody's worried about nowadays is how to get more followers on Instagram, and I'm gonna tell you how. As you can see, this picture right here says like, comments, and followers. Most people really worry about followers and likes, but don't really care about people's comments. But it'd be nice to leave comments, you know. But here's a way I can tell you. Follow celebrities like Justin Bieber, Justin Timberlake, Beyonce, Rihanna, iJustine, and then once you do that, go to your followers on your page and click on the follow button, and it will turn blue where it will say follow back again. Keep clicking their names, only their names. Just click on them to follow and then unfollow. Like, keep doing that back and forth, and then go back to your page, to your notifications, and keep refreshing. You will find that you actually gain followers from just only unfollowing and then following them back. If you keep constantly doing this, you will have followers more than you had before. And by the way, if you would like to get followers easily, like that way too, you can also follow me. This is my Instagram. Stay tuned Stay tuned _Vi. And I'll be happy to share people. Don't be afraid to ask me to share you. You could direct message or you could comment on any of my pictures. But for me to really to realize you, just like all my pictures and just basically blow up my notification, and you'll have followers doing it that way by me sharing you. So have fun with the way I showed you, and you can also follow me. Thank you very much.